Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-60N-IN double-phased atomic time of day clock. This order is going out to Whirlpool Appliances, which is located in Clyde, Ohio, and it is the largest washing machine factory in the world. And what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to showcase the time of day via their own time server up above the factory from two different sides. So in other words, it's going to be showing the time of day from both the front and back side of their factory. So how it works is the user powers the unit through our RJ45 Ethernet connection, which goes through a POE power injector. Then the time gets displayed while also providing power to the clock. So I'm going to showcase how one sets up this time of day network clock. So as you can see, this enclosure features two-sided LEDs. So in other words, you see the time of day on the front side, and as I lift up from here and turn it around, it also showcases the time of day on the back side as well. And this is one of our main features here. It's double-faced. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just simply power it off by unplugging it from the wall outlet. So I'm just going to do just that. As you can see, I unplugged the wall outlet, and that basically just turns off the unit because it's no longer receiving any power. I'm just going to unplug the RJ45 connector from the top. We have two different RJ45s right now. One has connected to the POE power injector, which is what I'm holding right now, and there's another RJ45 that's plugged into it that is going through the bridge, which is giving it all the information. First things first, now I'm going to put it all back together and showcase how it powers on. So first things first, I plug in my POE injector, and then I'm going to plug it back in so that it receives power. So I'm going to plug it back in, and as you can see, it just goes through all the sequences and it displays 12 o'clock. And then after a while, it'll showcase the IP address through the LEDs. So we're just going to wait a minute. As you can see, it's showcasing the IP address now, showcasing the numbers. And then it displays the time of day according to the time server that it is connected to. And this is all thanks to our POE power injector, which is also connected via our RJ45 connector, which is connected to the bridge or the network adapter, which allows it to draw information and power into the clock itself. And I should say, if it's not connected to the network, it will just simply display 12 o'clock and it'll just display the time that way. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, it is a heavy-duty all-aluminum enclosure. Its display size is 6 inches, so it can be viewed up to a total of 300 feet. The number of digits it has is 4 digits that displays the atomic time of day in 12 to 24-hour format. Its power type is an Ethernet POE-powered RJ45 connection. We have our pendant mount with eye bolts for hanging the display. This makes it easy to lift and carry by hand or to hook onto two different mounts at the same time, and that will hold the clock and showcase the time of day that way. And lastly, for accessories, we have our DC POE 3TL 160S power injector. It is a network POE plus for our POE displays. It's at 30 watts and it allows about 10 to 100 to 1,000 megabytes per second. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-60N-IN double-faced atomic time of day clock. Thanks for watching.